My name is Ruth Awakalum. I am a student at Gwynn Park High School. My teacher is Mrs. Onwanga, and this is my exterior digital profile. My exterior color scheme consists of accent colors. Tanger, which is a shade of red-orange. The porch and the gutters, which are a cottage cream color. The rooftop is a bohemian black. Trees and shrubs are a direct green, and the shutters are a loyal blue. The reasons I chose these colors is because they would give the house a cool and a warm effect. The reddish brick walls make the house to pop. The blue shutters give the house a vibrant color, just something a little bright but not too bright. The direct green gives the house brighter colors because of the trees and the shrubs in front of the house. The bohemian black makes the roof unique and different. Most houses are black, but the bohemian black, I feel it goes with the remaining colors of the house, and it just gives it a different style. The cottage cream porch and the gutters adds a lighter touch to it. I didn't want the house to be just red or green or blue, so I felt the cottage cream porch and the gutters would give it a little bit of light. Not white, but the cottage cream is like a mixture of white, not too white, but it's just a creamy texture. This is a collage of how the exterior would look. I chose these pictures because they are different, and it gives the exterior of the house much more style. I feel the exterior of the house would draw the attention of professional families from the Metro DC area. When you're driving past, I feel the house would catch the attention of most professional families because the gutters are a cottage cream color, plus the blue shutters goes well with the red brick, and it just gives it that extra touch that it needs to pop and be bold. The blue's not too bright, not too dull, but it just gives it that color, so it just mixes with everything else. To end this video off, all the colors I chose stand out and are unique, but are still in harmony with the rest of the neighborhood. So the house doesn't look too odd, and it's in unity with the remaining of the houses that are in whatever neighborhood that the person will choose. I feel that this house would be the best choice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and thanks for listening.